Is your brother printer not printing? Don't worry, in this video I'll show you 2 quick and easy solutions that can fix common printing problems. Let's get started. Before we begin, subscribe to Print Smart Help for easy printer tips and fixes. If you need instant support, you can call the number on your screen. Method 1. Check your printer connection. Step 1. Check the printer. First, make sure your brother printer is turned on. Also check the printer screen for any errors such as a paper jam, no paper, or another warning. Step 2. Check the connection. If you're using a USB cable, make sure it's firmly connected to both the brother printer and your computer. If you're using Wi-Fi, make sure your brother printer and computer are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Step 3. Select the correct printer. On Windows 11, go to Start, Settings, Bluetooth and Devices, then Printers and Scanners. Find your brother printer and select it. Make sure you're using the correct brother printer, especially if you see multiple printer entries. If available, select Set as Default. Method 2. Clear the print queue. Step 1. Open the printer settings. Go to Start, Settings, Bluetooth and Devices, Printers and Scanners. Then select your brother printer. Step 2. Open the print queue. Click Open Print Queue. Step 3. Cancel stuck jobs. If you see documents waiting to print, click the 3 dots and select Cancel All. Wait until the print queue is empty. Step 4. Restart the printer and computer. Turn off your brother printer, then restart your computer. After the computer starts again, turn your brother printer back on and wait for it to reconnect. Step 5. Try printing again. Open a document and select your brother printer. Then, click Print. If the print job is still stuck, restart the Print Spooler. Press Windows plus R, type services.msc and press Enter. Find Print Spooler, right-click it and select Restart. Then try printing again. And that's it! These simple steps can fix many common brother printer problems, including connection issues and stuck print jobs. If your brother printer is still not printing, comment below with your brother printer model number and we'll do our best to help. For more easy printer troubleshooting guides, subscribe to Print Smart Help. Thanks for watching!